Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about carbon nanotubes, commonly called CNTs. Carbon nanotubes are one of the most important nanomaterial discovered in recent decades. They are extremely small, very strong, and have excellent electrical and thermal properties. In this lecture, we will understand what carbon nanotubes are, their types, their properties, and why they are important in nanotechnology. Carbon is a very special element because it can form many different structures. This is mainly due to valency, which allows carbon atoms to bond strongly with each other. Some well-known forms of carbons are diamond and graphite. These different forms called allotropes of carbon. Allotropes are structurally different forms of the same element. In addition to diamond and graphite, scientists discovered new carbon structures such as fullerenes and graphene. Fullerenes, which has ball-like shape, graphene, which, which is single flat sheet of carbon atoms. These discoveries opened the door to many new nanomaterials. Later, scientists discovered even larger nanoscale carbon structures called carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes are made by rolling graphene sheet into tube-like shapes. They are extremely small and are measured in nanometers. Because of their tube shape, they are called carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes are classified into different types based on the number of walls they have. The main types are single-wall carbon nanotubes, double-wall carbon nanotubes, multi-wall carbon nanotubes. Single-wall carbon nanotube consists of one single graphene sheet rolled into a tube. They have very small diameter and excellent electrical properties. Single-wall carbon nanotubes are often used in electronics, sensors, and nano devices. Likewise, the double-wall carbon nanotubes consist of two concentric nanotubes. They combine the advantages of both single-wall and multi-wall nanotubes. They are more stable than single-wall carbon nanotubes and still maintain good electrical properties. Multi-wall carbon nanotubes consist of two or more nanotube walls. Each wall, like single-wall nanotube, they are held together by van der Waals forces. Multi-wall carbon nanotubes are easier to produce and are widely used in composites and structural material. And then carbon nanotubes show some unique and extraordinary properties. They have very high tensile strength, excellent thermal conductivity, very good electrical conductivity. Because of these properties, carbon nanotubes are considered one of the strongest materials now. The exceptional strength of carbon nanotubes comes from strong covalent bonds between carbon atoms. These bonds are similar to bonds found in graphene. Because of strong bonding, CNTs means carbon nanotubes have very high tensile strength and the elastic module. And then multi-wall carbon nanotubes, the different walls are not bonded covalently. Instead of, they are held together by van der Waals forces. Although van der Waals forces are weak in normal materials, at the nanoscale they become significant because of the large surface area. To understand van der Waals forces better, consider the graphite. In graphite, carbon atoms within a layer bonded strongly by covalent bonds. Different layers are held together by van der Waals forces. A similar situation exists multi-wall carbon nanotubes also. To summarize the structure, carbon nanotubes are made from hexagonal sheet of carbon atoms similar to graphene rolled into tubes. Their unique properties comes from strong carbon bonds, cylindrical shape, one-dimensional structure. Because of their excellent properties, carbon nanotubes are used in many applications. They are used reinforcing material in composites to improve strength and connectivity of material in electronics and sensors. The carbon nanotubes in biomedical application, drug delivery system, MRI, contrast agent, biosensor, tissue engineering, scaffolds. However, before large-scale use, the safety and toxicity of carbon nanotubes must be carefully studied. Thank you.